Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to remove a compressor deck out of a soda machine. This is a Dixie Narco 501e live display. As you can see here, this cover, this plate is hiding the compressor, the condenser fan. You will want to remove it. This machine came out of an insulation factory. I bought it off Facebook Marketplace, so it was very dirty. I have to scrape along the bottom right there. That's what all that dirt is, to see where the screws are. So you just undo those screws and you will be able to see the compressor, the condenser, and all that. You will also need to remove above that the chute that allows the soda to slide down and be dispensed. You will need to remove that. That's pretty easy. There's no screws that are holding that. Once you get the chute removed, and you see what I just pointed at right there, there's only 2 bolts that are holding the compressor deck down to the machine. So you just undo those 2 bolts, and then you undo the chute. And once you do all that, you will be able to remove the entire compressor deck out. It's pretty simple. I know it kind of seems hard, or it seems like you guys, my first time doing it, I was pretty nervous. But once you get into it and you start doing maintenance on your own machines, you'll get better off. Alright guys, what I did is I just pulled this forward. That's literally all I did, is pulled it forward. Then there's clips right here, pulled that off. That was like this. There's clips right here that I had to undo the thing. I pulled that off. That way those were inside of there. Pull that off. Now I'm pulling that out. These copper lines are all traced. See, there's 4 screws. See that screw right there, right here, and right there. So we're going to undo those, and then we are going to be done. You will be able to see all of this once you remove the chute that the soda machines drop down. It might be black, have a black plastic piece on it, or it might be silver, aluminum, whatever is on your machine. But once you remove the chute, it literally just pops into place. You remove it, you take it out, you'll be able to see the evaporator and the evaporator fans and all that. Once you remove those 4 screws, you're done. You can remove the entire compressor deck. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, please comment, and have a great day.